You are going to love the 2016 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, cruise control, power windows, heated steering wheel, trip odometer, power brakes, clock. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.